The Honda 66424 EU2200i is a standout in the realm of portable inverter generators, offering a compelling combination of power, efficiency, and user-friendly features. Designed for both recreational activities and emergency power needs, this generator boasts a powerful 2,200 watts of output, making it suitable for a variety of applications, from camping to tailgating, as well as providing backup power during outages. One of the first things that stands out about the EU2200i is its impressive design and portability. Weighing in at just 47 pounds, it is lightweight enough for one person to easily transport. Its compact size, measuring around 20 inches in length, 11 inches in width, and 16 inches in height, allows it to fit comfortably in the trunk of a car or in tight storage spaces. The integrated handle is robust and comfortable, making it easy to carry around, which is particularly beneficial for outdoor enthusiasts. A significant feature of the Honda EU2200i is its fuel efficiency. The generator is powered by a Honda GXR 120 engine, which is not only reliable but also designed to maximize fuel consumption. It can run for up to 8.1 hours on a single tank of gasoline at a 25% load, and even longer if you're running a lower load. This efficiency is crucial for users who want to minimize refueling stops during extended outings or emergencies. The fuel tank holds just under a gallon, and while some may want a larger capacity for longer usage without refills, the trade-off in weight and portability is worth considering. Honda's proprietary eco-throttle system is another highlight of the EU2200i. This feature automatically adjusts the engine speed based on the load being drawn, resulting in quieter operation and further enhancing fuel efficiency. On this note, it's worth mentioning that the EU2200i operates at a remarkably low noise level, measuring only 48 decibels at a quarter load. This makes it one of the quietest generators in its class, which is a huge advantage when camping or using it in residential areas where noise restrictions may apply. The power output of 2,200 watts is sufficient for running essential appliances during a power outage, such as refrigerators, lights, and even some power tools. The generator features a 120V20i duplex outlet and a 12V DC output for charging batteries, offering ample versatility for various needs. The addition of a parallel operation capability is a game changer for those who require even more power. Users can connect two EU2200i generators together to double their output, making it an ideal solution for larger power needs without sacrificing portability. Safety is paramount with the EU2200i, which comes equipped with Honda's CO Minder technology. This feature continuously monitors carbon monoxide levels and automatically shuts down the generator if it detects dangerous levels, providing peace of mind for users. Additionally, the generator is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple recoil start and an easy-to-read fuel gauge, making it accessible even for those who may not be familiar with generator operation. Maintenance is straightforward, which is another plus for the EU2200i. The oil fill and oil drain make it easy to change the oil, and the air filter is easily accessible for cleaning or replacement. Honda's reputation for reliability and durability is well placed here. Users can expect the generator to withstand the rigors of outdoor use and offer reliable performance for years to come. While the Honda EU2200i is undoubtedly a top-tier option, it does come with a higher price tag compared to many competitors in the market. However, considering its performance, reliability, and advanced features, many users find it a worthy investment. The combination of Honda's engineering prowess and the convenience of features like the eco-throttle and CO Minder justify the premium cost, particularly for those who value quality and safety. In summary, the Honda 66424 EU2200i 2200 watt portable inverter generator stands out as a premium choice for those seeking a reliable, quiet, and efficient power source.